Hey, what's up guys? Pinnacle Reef here. Today we're at the local reservoir. It's pretty cold out. It's the beginning of February. It just rained all night, so the water condition is looking like chocolate milk.
Definitely murky waters.
Yeah. But this is a high pressured zone, and these big bass have seen it all. So sometimes this murky water is just what we need to get a bite here. There's a little bit of wind blowing, so that's always a plus. Today I'm going to be throwing around the Lipless, you know, yo-yoing it around like usual here, and trying to get that reaction bite.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to start out with the Wild Eye Minnow.
Always.
It's my favorite lure. Today I have a 4-inch Wild Eye Minnow curly tail, so I'm going to be tossing him around, see if I can come up with anything. It's typically a pretty productive lure for me. It's a realistic presentation, so we'll see if we can come up with something.
If this doesn't work, I might switch up to a deep diving crankbait or something like that, but we'll have to see how it plays out.
Alright guys, stay tuned.
Alright, the wait is over. It's been too long since I was out here last. First cast. Water looks like chocolate milk. So, ideal conditions. Like I said, I'm going to be yo-yoing this off the bottom. Let it sink all the way down, settle on the bottom, and then just pull it up, let it flutter back down. Pull it up, let it flutter back down. And usually the strike will come on the fall. Work it extremely slow because it's cold. And it rained all night last night. I need to oil this roller bearing, that's why the reel's making a little bit of noise. I brought this net because when I drop down the 8-pound, 4-pound, 6-pound leader, I don't want to be flipping them, so I brought the net in case we connect. I'll lessen my chances of losing something when landing it. Ellie's going to hit the other pond. Hopefully she has luck.
Alright guys, I'm going to start out pitching a 4-inch Wild Eye Minnow curly tail. So it's one of my favorite lures. Hard to avoid getting weeds casting over here unless you have a fast retrieve, but a fast retrieve is not very productive in February here in Maryland because the water temps are so low, everything has kind of slowed. But I never like to pass this pond up. There's a larger body of water behind me that I'll be fishing soon, but I always like to pitch a few in here before starting over there.
Every once in a while I switch it up and work it a little faster because there is giant pickerel in here. I caught my PB pickerel in here, as a matter of fact. Switched up locations. Trying to see if there's a big pickerel over here in this corner. Caught some nice ones right here. Got to be careful though, because there's a bunch of snags out here. And when the water's this murky, they're going to be right up on those snags.
Yes. Ooh, jerkbait. No hooks, but that's alright. Hooks can be replaced. RC STX. Nice, bro. She'll clean up just fine. Thank you, Lord. I want to say temps are actually like mid-40s today, but at this particular place, every time you come here, it's like 20% colder than anywhere else. It's ridiculous. ridiculous. Seriously, you'll go outside, you're like, oh, okay, I'll wear a hoodie today, and, you know, some thermals under that. And then you get out here and you're like, oh, where's my jacket, gloves, hat, scarf, hand warmers. Oh, guys, I just missed one. It was so close. I started to pick up my retrieve just to run it in. Something just hit right there, dude. Man, it's so sad I just blew that, dude. So I'm about 90% sure I just missed another hit. Maybe another one right there. I know what a weed I know what a weed or a twig feels like. I've been fishing for a long time. And definitely, like I said, not. Oh no. That's a nice bass on the walleye minnow, bro. Kidding me? Yes, dude. Chunky toad.
Guys, Ellie just stuck a toad on the little walleye minnow.
Yes.
Killing it.
That's why I always love to use that walleye minnow because it just has a really natural presentation. That curly tail carves its own and like stir.
It's just so subtle, and you know, this is so pressured. They need that joint. Dude, that thing is a chunk. We didn't get zeroed. Heck yeah, bro. Let's release that beast. Straight winter chunker. February. Boom. You! Give me some. Yeah! Awesome, dude.
It's so long since I last caught a fish. So that was so awesome. I missed the hit over here, and then I just cast it over here. I missed the hit. Turned my GoPro on. Said, oh, I'm about 90% sure I just missed a hit. Brought it in. Felt the hit far off. And then, boom! He's on there, man.
Smacked it. That's what's up, dude. Awesome.
On the walleye minnow. Oh, trusty dusty.
Every time, dude. The producer. All right, awesome. Let's get it. You.
So awesome, man. All right, guys. So I just caught that beautiful bass. Casting it out, letting it sink, slow retrieve, but not too slow because the particular pond I'm fishing is super weedy. So I have sudden burst of a quick retrieve.
All right, guys, we're closing out this one. Full on stoked, super successful. Ellie just stuck a toad of a bass.
Yeah,
that was so
awesome.
rad, such a blessing. You want to elaborate or tell them about it?
I mean, it just definitely helps these winter blues with the bite being so slow lately.
Right on. I got zeroed, but it's still early in the year. I need to get on the board. Hopefully, we'll come back tomorrow or later or sometime soon. But
absolutely.
We love these little spin sessions, you know, in our stomping grounds around here. So like, share, subscribe.
And thanks a lot for watching.